Hey, Eric, News and Goldfinger are good to go, right?
All right, here's the deal. We got to find intel near Blue Spawn somewhere. We got to bring it back to Maelstrom and hold it in Maelstrom. Whoever gets the intel first. It's hidden somewhere near the Blue Spawn where we spawned the first time. All right?
All right, stay away from green.
They're in green, all right.
You're mentally disabled?
At least he's on it.
He's an oxymoron.
I'm Jeff.
Frank. Call sign
Got
0.
birthday party. Got 9 guys.
Okay.
We're just gonna kind of follow you.
All right.
It's our first time. So
Okay, yep, no problem.
If you wanna sing out and ask us to do something, let me know.
You got it.
We're cool with that.
Okay, no problem.
So we're kind of the boundary to
Well, if you follow this, right into what they call Maelstrom, which is that urban area, as soon as you come out of Maelstrom, that's called the logging road. We're going to follow that road down to where the Blue Spawn, where we spawned the first
We
time.
fast trot, just kind of run.
No, we could. They're there. I mean, I'm not running.
Okay, all right.
Yeah,
All right.
Zero, they got like a straight walk across.
Yeah, they got to
Yeah.
straight walk across.
That's
It'll
right.
be an interesting... To be honest, you're better off just hitting them when they're on their way back. You know?
Really?
I mean, we're going to put a few guys in Maelstrom anyway.
Yeah.
Who's volunteering to stay in Maelstrom and holding it? Any volunteers? A group of like 4 guys that are together, or 5?
And put a SWAT guy in the top.
Yeah, that's true. Well, they left already. Goldfinger and what's his name gone. Anybody in a group of like 4 or 5 that wants to hold Maelstrom till we get the intel? You guys hang out in Maelstrom?
Get back, come up here,
All right.
touch up, and then go, all right?
What's that?
No, it's more for show. Yeah, it's for show. It gets hit, medic has to walk right back here to yellow.
Hour on the horn.
Anybody that wants to sprint, go right ahead.
Let's go, guys.
Alright guys, stay in the group, come on!
It's the fastest I've ever seen Colby run. I think you pull up.
Excuse me, what was that? No. The intel is right down this way somewhere. We got to find that styrofoam piece and bring it back to that village we were just at.
Push on up and lead to the road, guys. Go, push it. Plenty space. Get back there, guys. Go, push up, push up, push up. Come on, come on.
I'm going for the intel.
People back here somewhere. On the freeway.
Go ahead, go ahead. I'm going to follow the perimeter right to Maelstrom. Nope.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nick, move up.
Hit! You got a medic here?
Yeah, there's a medic over there.
You gonna make it through there? There you go. Get behind me, get behind me, get behind me.
You're good.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, if you can get up there and shoot long
Hey, we
enough.
need a medic. Can't get up with a shoot.
Not yet. Hit! Down, get down, get down, get down. Stay down, stay down. Thank you.
I'll try you there.
I can't even see him.
Hold on. Cover you for a second.
Alright, hold on. Ready? Go. Hit! Yeah, I called it the first time. I had a medic here, brother.
Sit down.
I know where he says that now.
Oh, I see him.
I think I want to...
Watch your back, watch your backs.
Yeah, I guess.
Where are they?
Okay.
No.
Anytime. Got it.
Hey kid, you gonna call your hits or what? Thank you. Hit!
You know where the respawn is?
Jello.
Maelstrom's all ours, so
Beautiful.
back in. Did you find the intel yet?
Nope. I looked everywhere out there. I couldn't find it.
Dude, it's
I don't know what the hell it is. Not yet.
Well, someone...
What do you do? Put it in a tree somewhere?
That's why I didn't want to try it.
I figured I'd
Can I get off?
Dead man walking! We get hit now from here?
You die right over.
Okay.
I gotta reload.
Hit! It's easier just to walk.
Got a bad spot.
Yep, they're right in our spawn. There's one guy there.
They haven't run it before, man. They don't know they're going to be on the edge of that town.
Dude, I'm sorry, the veterans can't, like, the 8 veterans can't hold on a whole fucking team.
Yeah.
They actually did a good job when we were pushing back, coming back from looking for the end house. They held the frickin' mound on the far side and kept them distracted the entire time.
They didn't shoot or whatever. They shot their own teammates a bunch of times.
Well, after. Hey,
I'm gonna go left. You wanna go with me?
Yep. I was just thinking that. As soon as they respawn, go left. Cut around.
You know, I'm looking at it, it's like, let's all close off. We have a medic, and we got 3 good players. The rest of you can do whatever they want, right?
I'm gonna, take my wife, but I'm gonna stick in the maelstrom right now.
Okay, cool. No, we got it, we'll take it. Oh shit. Okay, there's some people in that fucking havoc.
Yep.
Spread out. That's the right, that's the right.
At the right. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're right, you're right. Pull me back, pull me back. Nope. Reloading. Reloading. We got still one behind that bunker back there or no?
Where's the bunker?
He's pulling back.
That way. No. We're heading back. Parking lot.
Straight ahead and then go left.
Get him.
Yep. He's done.
You have some close on? I am. Purple right here, don't shoot.
You take my team right here. You take them all out.
Yeah. No, he did.
Green. Follow this, look.
Is that purple?
Go all the way that way and follow it green. Or is it purple?
Is that purple, Maelstrom? What is that?
I don't know. Where?
Take a shot. Ready?
Way in the
Yeah,
back?
that's purple,
That's purple, that's purple.
Purple and Maelstrom, guys, watch out. Hey, on the mound. You got a medic in the building right back here. Got it?
Roger that.
Keep a perimeter, guys. Keep a perimeter. Watch the mound. Purple and Maelstrom, guys.
You want to go right? Left? Right behind you, right behind you.
Yeah.
Hit! Clear your guns, barrel bag on, mags out. Clear your guns, mags out, barrel bags on. Let's go.